Are you ready to make a magical diorama for this mermaid? Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. I post several times a week and I have crafty DIYs for you with unique magical content. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you do click the subscribe button. So the first thing that you're going to need is a container. You can use a mason jar, that's fine. I have this because I think it's beautiful. I brought it from the works for £3. So the first thing you're going to do is take a scrap piece of cardboard, and I'm just going to draw along the cork here, the inner part. So that's what I did there, and I took my craft knife and cut it out. Now you don't have to do this step, it is optional. I only did it so that I can reuse this piece for other seasons and occasions. Next you're going to take a blue piece of paper. I've used this before in a craft, so this is the scrap piece that's left. And we're going to just place it on top of the cardboard, measure it out and cut it to fit to size. Now the next thing you're going to want is a bottle. If you can find one that doesn't have lines on, that's even better. And you're going to grab your scissors, and all we're going to do is cut through so you want the top part of the bottle because you want the curve here. So we're going to go ahead and cut a strip out. So now what we're going to do is cut a few slits through the thinner piece at the top of the plastic bottle. Now take your glue gun and apply some hot glue at the base . Stick it down. Going to secure that with more hot glue on the sides there. We will tidy this up later, so don't worry about that. Take your glue gun and you're going to gently apply several layers onto your plastic. Once you have your structure done and you've applied hot glue all over your plastic, you're going to then apply hot glue all over the water or blue cardboard. So I've applied more hot glue to the top here and completed all of the hot glue on the base there. You're going to want to cut some more strips from your bottle, small ones just the size of this for example, and then you want to just go ahead and bend it to give it some form and shape. And then you're going to take your hot glue and we're just going to do the same as we did with the bigger wave. Apply a small amount onto the base. I'm going to glue it right next to the big wave there. And then you're going to apply hot glue again on the plastic. Look at that there, it's coming along really nicely. I'm going to repeat the same procedure on the other side here. we're going to go in with the other glue gun that's got some blue colour. I'm just going to add some colour to the current wave that I've got. So we are almost done. This is how it looks at the moment. We're going to add a touch of white colour to make it look realistic, like it's moving and flowing. You don't want too much paint, you want to sort of dry paint it really. So just wipe a little on the edges of the cap. You can add more towards the end and then go lighter. And look at that, guys. I promised you magic and I hope that I delivered. And who would ever know that this is from hot glue and a plastic bottle? The last thing you're going to do is take your mermaid, add a bit of hot glue to her hands, and then stick her down where you want on the wave. And so here we have the finished mermaid diorama. I'm super happy with it and I think she is too. This came out so realistic. Remember, we're not using resin here either, so I'm really happy with that. And then here she is in her final home. What do you guys think? I hope that you've learned a thing or two and that you enjoy these creative DIYs. If you have, don't forget to please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think of this DIY in the comments. If you love what you see, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and I'll see you all in the next DIY. Take care of yourselves. Bye. And so here we have the finished mermaid diorama.